right, boys, they are finally here. If you guys don't know what it is, let me go get it for you guys real quick. Just hang on a little bit. Go get them. Got it, boys. Man, that was pretty freaking heavy. We got another box, but I'm not gonna bring that one because it is just too heavy, and you only need one to see them. So, sheesh. Here it is, boys. Here she is. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Sorry for the little struggling right there for the video. I am out of breath. These things are pretty heavy, honestly, for one person, and it's a pretty big box, so pardon me. Your boy's out of breath, and yes, I am rocking the MK5 Super shirt. You know, you gotta have some JDM in you too, you know? All about that muscle, but you gotta respect the MK5 Supra. Come on now, we love Supra. As you guys can see by the title of this video, we are finally taking a look and unboxing my new wheels. I actually unboxed them a little bit because, you know, obviously we all get, you know, super anxious and want to see what we ordered, even though we already know and when it comes in. So your boy wanted to go ahead and like kind of opened it a little bit, but I didn't get to take them out of the box, so they're all just brand new still. I haven't even really looked at them really good, and why not make a video? I was like, I got to keep them updated. Told them that I ordered my new wheels, already have the tires already set, the back ones, just got to get the front ones, but I want to make this unboxing video. So guys, this is my 2018 Mustang GT. If you guys are brand new to the channel, I know we've been getting some new people along to the channel. So this is my 2018 Mustang GT. Pretty much stock. Some things, got some little performance mods, little cosmetic stuff, but finally I am doing something that I've been wanting to do for like such a long time, and I've been saying it for the long time, and your boy finally pulled the trigger. Finally got my hands on these new freaking wheels that I personally love and how they look, and I think they're gonna make the whole car look super freaking good with that ruby red paint and just the whole theme that I'm gonna go for, and it's just gonna look epic. So if you guys are into any of this type of stuff, car related content, make sure to drop that fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, because we are growing slowly but surely. So yeah, other than that, here's the box. Let me cover this up real quick. Get no hackers over here to the crib. As you guys can see, it is from LMR, so that's a little sneak peek right there. The wheels are from LMR, so they have a cool little variety of them. So if you guys don't skip all the way to the end when I'm unboxing it, which most likely you did, you'll be surprised which ones I actually picked out, and I think they're just gonna look super cool on the car, the vision I have for it. So enough of me ranting. Let's open this box. Let's see how the wheels actually look. I haven't opened them for myself, so let's get it. Let's get this unboxing. I don't know if I should take these out already. Nah, I should probably leave them. But those are the SVE center caps, I'm guessing. Right here, I'll post it up. And here she is, boys. She actually is upside down the other way. I actually kind of opened it, like I told you guys, the other way. But it's all good. We can just flip this one, kind of just show you guys how it looks. Look at that. Got the SV logo right here, all covered up, looking super freaking good. Let's take one off. Sheesh. Oh boy, look at these. Oh my. Take them out a little more. Yo, these, oh, these are beautiful, man. I love these wheels. Oh my god, these are so freaking nice. Gloss black. Yes guys, I actually went with gloss black, obviously, as you guys can see. Just the whole theme of this car, if you guys are new, that's what I kind of been doing, kind of more red and black, and I had to pick these in gloss black. Like, I've seen pictures of them on cars, and I love how they look. I'm not sure if these are the front ones. They're pretty big. I mean, the front ones are 19 by 10s, the rears are 19 by 11, so regardless, they're gonna be big. So I can't really tell if these are the front ones, but look at this. Oh, that's gonna look so freaking good. I don't want to mess them up and all, but oh my god, it's gonna look so good. It's gonna make the brake calipers really pop and show. I think these are the front ones, honestly. Yeah, I think these are the front ones. But yeah, guys, here you go. What you guys think? These are freaking beautiful. I like these wheels. Oh my god, I love the concave. I love how they freaking look. Do not think camera is gonna do these justice. Like, I think on camera they're gonna look a little bit odd, a little bit weird. You're kind of imagining like how they're gonna look on the car, but guys, I promise you the vision is here and it's gonna look super nice. I mean, I hope. From pictures I've seen and just how I love this wheel, and that's why I went with this wheel, and I think it's gonna look so freaking dope. All right, you guys, so yeah, I don't think the camera will do it justice, but look at that concave, look at that nice beautiful wheel. Oh, that's gonna make those brake calipers really pop, and that's why I really wanted to get some new wheels also, to show that brake caliper, that red ones that I actually did a while ago. And plus I got kind of tired of the performance pack wheels. Don't get me wrong, they're super beautiful, nice stock wheels, but such a pain to clean, and it's just like I kind of want something new now. It's time to switch it up. So your boy went with some SVE wheels. Let me actually pull up exactly what these are called, because I know there's like a bunch of obviously SVE wheels. So let me just pull it up real quick now. And these are the R355s SVE wheels. Pretty sure that's what the name is. Just looked right now. And like I said, they're the 19 by 10s, 19 by 11s in the back. So we're gonna have a pretty meaty setup. If you guys haven't watched the previous video, I kind of showed you guys the wheels that I picked up from my buddy, and rocking some pretty big meaty tires in the back, 325s to be exact. And I think it's gonna look dope. I think it's gonna really make this car look super nice. These wheels are so freaking nice. Love the concave. I love the whole gloss black whole thing with that ruby red. It's gonna pop. It's gonna look freaking dope. And I want to make an unboxing video for you guys, so you guys could actually see what wheels I ended up going with. Guys, trust the process. I hope it won't look that bad. I feel like it's gonna look so good from like pictures that I've seen and kind of seen on this car. It looks super clean. I love how it looks. I went with this wheel, and there's no going back now. So hey, yeah, so don't really know what I'm gonna do with my performance pack wheels. I might just sell them, you know, most likely flip them, make some money off of it at least, and just be rocking these for a pretty long time, because I have some more future mods that I want to do to the car. And I think the whole theme with this is gonna look super freaking good, and I don't want to say too much yet, but it's gonna look awesome. It's settled. Tomorrow we're getting them installed, so be sure to look out for that video. That video's gonna be coming out next week, because I'm going tomorrow to go get them installed, and I already know the specs I'm going on the car, on the tires. So like I said, if you didn't watch that older video of me picking up or showing you guys my meaty tires in the back, I didn't pick up front ones obviously, and I just went to the shop today, kind of got a quote on how much it would be, and I'm, you know, just getting some cool little cheap tires for the front. Don't really mind too much. So it's gonna be, I believe I told the guy we agreed on rocking a 275 3519, so should be cool. It's a pretty cool size tire to be up front, and I think it's gonna look nice. The bad thing is though, since this one is a 40 sidewall and the other one, the new tire I'm getting, is a 35, we are gonna look even higher than this. So I know the comments are gonna be roasting me. I know the comments are gonna be, you know, going all at it, but trust, guys, trust the process. Your boy is gonna get every little thing step by step. You know, springs obviously next, and then, you know, maybe new wing, new stuff going. So it's just the whole process. You know, I don't like to rush these things. I like to do it when I feel most comfortable, and I think it's just gonna look dope. So I hope you guys are ready for this journey. I hope you guys are ready for the whole process, and let's just admire these wheels a little more. Look at that. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited how they're gonna look. I am a little bit skeptical because it is gonna look super high, obviously, because it's on stock springs and everything, but you know, a spring can fix that easily. Just gotta give it time. It's gonna look freaking dope. But let me know what you guys think. Just a cool little unboxing video for you guys. I'll show you guys what type of wheels I picked up. And tomorrow, like I said, we'll be installing the wheels. Have the new setup already by the weekend. And hopefully it looks freaking good. So fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. Just a little short video. Don't want to keep up too much of your guys' time. It's just kind of like an unboxing video. What to expect for next week when it actually looks on the car and everything. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys are excited how the build is coming. Maybe you guys want to get these wheels for your guys' car but don't really know how it might look. Something. Here we go. Here's the video. So I'm making this and hopefully ends up looking good on her. So fingers crossed. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next time. Peace.